Unmanned combat aerial vehicles are used by militaries around the world for a variety of functions, including surveillance, intelligence gathering, target acquisition, reconnaissance, and delivery of munitions such as missiles and bombs. There are currently a large number of different types of drones in use by various armed forces. However, not all combat drones are created equal. Some are improved versions of surveillance UAVs, while others are built to be almost as capable as the most advanced jet fighter jets. Some have stealth capabilities and can carry an impressive array of weapons, while others are designed to be as cheap and as easy to mass produce as possible. The criteria for comparing them remain consistent. Here we aim to highlight the most efficient, capable, and combat-ready options, paying close attention to factors such as performance, endurance, armament, and the current state of each program. So which military drone is the best? Without further ado, let's try to analyze and find out their characteristics. Here are the world's 10 most impressive military drones. 10th place, TUSAS. An important product of the Turkish defense industry, TUSAS is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed and produced by Turkish aerospace industries. Aksungur is designed to meet Turkey's defense and security needs and has the capabilities to take part in various operations. Here is some basic information about Aksungur. Aksungur was developed and manufactured in Turkey by Turkish aerospace industries. TUI developed Aksungur in accordance with the needs of the Turkish armed forces and other security units. Aksungur is designed for medium altitude and long-range operations. It stands out with its flexible mission capability, wide flight range, and long endurance. Aksungur can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, target detection, and attack missions. It can also be equipped with various sensors and integrated into different mission systems. Technical specifications of Aksungur include factors such as wingspan, length, payload, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. These specifications determine the drone's operational capabilities and are optimized in accordance with mission requirements. Aksungur is actively used in the inventory of the Turkish armed forces. With its contribution to Turkey's national defense industry, Aksungur is expected to take part in various operations. It can be used effectively in missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and target detection. Aksungur is an important product that demonstrates Turkey's domestic and national capabilities in unmanned aerial vehicle technology. It is expected to contribute to the advancement and strengthening of the Turkish defense industry and increase Turkey's defense capabilities. Aksungur is one of the successful products of the Turkish defense industry and is designed to contribute to Turkey's national security. 9th place, the Chengdu GJ-2 Loong II. Manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, the Loong II is an unmanned aerial vehicle designed for medium altitude and long-range operations. Loong II was developed and manufactured by China's defense industry. Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group designed this unmanned aerial vehicle to meet the operational requirements of the Chinese People's Liberation Army. Loong II has a large payload capacity and can be integrated into various mission systems. It can be used in various missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and target acquisition. It is equipped with technical specifications such as wingspan, length, payload, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. Loong II is actively used in the inventory of the People's Liberation Army of China. It aims to increase the operational capabilities of the PLA by contributing to China's national defense industry. The Loong II is an important product that demonstrates China's indigenous capabilities in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. In the future, it is expected to play a broader role in meeting China's defense needs. 8th place, Altair Sukhoi. Altius. Altair is an unmanned aerial vehicle manufactured by Russia. This Russian-made drone is used for long-range reconnaissance and surveillance missions. Altair was developed and produced by the Russian defense industry. Sukhoi, one of Russia's defense companies, played an important role in the development of Altair. The Altair has a wide payload capacity and is characterized by its ability to perform long-duration flights. It can be used effectively in missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and target designation. It is equipped with technical specifications such as wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. Altair is actively used by Russia's defense and security units. By contributing to Russia's national defense industry, Altair increases Russia's defense power with its operational capabilities. Altair is an important product that demonstrates Russia's advancements in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. In the future, it is expected to play a broader role in meeting Russia's defense needs. 7th place is Bayraktar Kızılelma. Produced by Baykar Defense, Bayraktar Kızılelma is one of Turkey's domestic and national unmanned aerial vehicle projects. It is designed to be used in medium-altitude and long-range missions. Baykar Defense is one of Turkey's leading defense companies and played an important role in the development of Bayraktar Kızılelma. It was designed by Turkish engineers and manufactured in Turkey. Bayraktar Kızılelma has a large payload capacity and is capable of long-duration flights. It can be used in various missions such as reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and target identification. It is equipped with technical specifications such as wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. Bayraktar Kızılelma is actively used in the inventory of the Turkish armed forces. By making a significant contribution to Turkey's national defense industry, Kızılelma increases Turkey's defense power with its operational capabilities. Bayraktar Kızılelma is an important product that demonstrates Turkey's domestic and national capabilities in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. In the future, it is expected to play a broader role in meeting Turkey's defense needs. 6th place, Hongdu GJ-11. This is one of China's homegrown unmanned aerial vehicles. It's designed for medium-altitude, long-range missions. Hongdu Aviation Industry Group developed and produced it. Hongdu is a big player in China's defense industry, and it played a leading role in developing the GJ-11. The GJ-11 can carry a wide range of payloads and fly for long periods of time. It can be used for a variety of missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, intelligence gathering, and target designation. It has technical specifications like wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. The GJ-11 is used by the People's Liberation Army of China. It's used in all kinds of missions to boost China's defense capabilities. The GJ-11 is a great example of China's cutting-edge unmanned aerial vehicle technology. It's expected to play a bigger role in meeting China's defense needs in the future. 5th place goes to Bayraktar TB2. Produced by Baykar Defense, the Bayraktar TB2 is one of Turkey's top unmanned aerial vehicles. It's designed for medium-altitude and long-range missions. Baykar Defense developed and produced the Bayraktar TB2, which plays an important role in Turkey's defense industry. Turkish engineers contributed to the design. The Bayraktar TB2 has a big payload and can stay up there for a long time. It can do all kinds of missions like reconnaissance, surveillance, gathering intel, and identifying targets. It's got all the technical specs like wingspan, length, top speed, altitude, and flight time. The Turkish armed forces use the Bayraktar TB2 a lot. By helping to build Turkey's national defense industry, the TB2 makes Turkey stronger at defending itself. The Bayraktar TB2 is a great example of Turkey's homegrown and national capabilities in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. In the future, it's likely to play a bigger role in meeting Turkey's defense needs. 4th place, Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B. The Sukhoi S-70 Okhotnik-B is an advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicle developed by Russia. It's designed for strategic reconnaissance and strike missions. Sukhoi is one of the top companies in the Russian defense industry and played an important role in the development of the Okhotnik-B. It's designed to meet Russia's national defense needs. The Okhotnik-B is designed for stealth, low observation profile, and offensive capability. It has a large payload capacity and can be used effectively in long-range missions. It's equipped with technical specifications like wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. Russia's defense and security services use the Okhotnik-B actively. By helping to strengthen Russia's national defense industry, the Okhotnik-B is making a real contribution to Russia's defense capabilities. The Okhotnik-B is a great example of how Russia is making progress in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. It's expected to play a bigger role in meeting Russia's defense needs in the future. Third place, the Kratos XQ-58 Valkyrie. The Valkyrie is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by the United States. It is designed as a long-range and low-cost platform and can be used for a variety of missions. The Valkyrie was developed by Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, a leading U.S. defense company. It was produced in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Defense. The Valkyrie is designed for use in covert operations, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions. It also has the ability to overcome air defense systems and stands out as a low-cost platform. It is equipped with technical specifications such as wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. The Valkyrie is actively used in the inventory of the U.S. Department of Defense. It is used effectively in various missions, increasing the defense capabilities of the United States. The Valkyrie is an important product that demonstrates U.S. progress in the field of unmanned aerial vehicle technology. In the future, it is expected to be a more effective platform with a wider operational use and technological developments. In second place is BAE Systems Taranis, Dassault Neuron. Taranis and Neuron are unmanned aerial vehicles developed by the United Kingdom and France, respectively. These drones feature advanced technology and are designed for use in covert operations. Taranis was developed by BAE Systems in the United Kingdom, while Neuron is manufactured by Dassault Aviation in France. Both platforms are joint ventures with advanced technology and defense capabilities. Taranis and Neuron are characterized by stealth, low observation profile, and offensive capability. They offer ideal platforms for strategic reconnaissance and strike missions. They are equipped with technical specifications such as wingspan, length, maximum speed, altitude, and flight duration. Taranis and Neuron are actively used by the defense and security units of the respective countries. Both platforms increase the defense power of their countries with their operational capabilities. With their advanced technologies, Taranis and Neuron are expected to play an important role in future defense operations. With further development and integration, they can become more effective and versatile. First place, Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat, formerly known as the Boeing Air Power Teaming System, is a loyal wingman-class stealth, multi-role, unmanned combat aircraft under development for the Royal Australian Air Force. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat is being developed by Boeing Australia for the Royal Australian Air Force. It is being designed and manufactured at a new production facility at Wellcamp Airfield in Queensland. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat is an aircraft that can fly without human intervention and uses artificial intelligence. The mission package system has a modular structure that can be quickly modified for different missions. It has equipment suitable for various missions such as intelligence, reconnaissance, surveillance, and electronic warfare. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat will be used by the Royal Australian Air Force to support and protect manned aircraft such as the F-35A, F/A-18F, E-7A, and KC-30A. It can also perform autonomous missions independently. The Boeing MQ-28 Ghostbat will be commissioned by the Royal Australian Air Force and will play an important role in enhancing the RADF's defense capability. It could also find wider use through agreements with other countries, such as the United States. I hope you liked it. Write in the comments section which drone you think is the best. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. By activating the bell button, you will be notified in my new videos. See you in the next video.